Well then, I think it's about time for an update. We haven't had one for a while. We're just there's been a bit of progress made. As you can see, the spray booth's gone a bit sooner than we expected, because it was fantastic when we had it. It worked absolutely great on the MX-5. It's worked really well. It's kind of like obviously given it a full test by painting that MX-5. And well, so we've just been we've taken all of our spray booths down. We had planned on leaving it up and painting a few other things. I had the 205. We're going to work on that. We had the 205 to do, so we had that to do, and then we also had the Jag. We're going to do a bit of work on the Jag.
The Jag as well. There's a few things we're going to have to sort out.
Yeah, we'll get to them things eventually. Obviously, at the moment, there's some other things happening. We've got some big moves. We've got some change of scenery coming. Yes, as my dad says, we're going to actually be moving. We're going to be shifting, so there's going to be a different Upbuild headquarters for you. So.
Good take a little while to sort, but we'll get there and you'll get back into seeing what we're doing.
Absolutely, yeah. It's kind of a bit bittersweet in some ways, because obviously we've got a fantastic little workshop here, which obviously we love working in, but
we're going to miss it.
We are, yes, we're going to miss it a lot.
We'll have another one as good, better in fact, because we'll be building the way we want it.
We will. This has been a fantastic workshop. We've had obviously all the insulation put in. We didn't put the big.
Even the roof insulated, everything's insulated.
Yeah, it is. And obviously I had obviously watched all the racking being built, that sort of thing. We'll take that sort of thing with us. A lot of stuff, everything we've got here that we'll take with us. But so on the horizon there's going to be a new garage build to enjoy watching, which is going to be happening very soon. So we'll be updating you on that as it's happening. Like my dad said, the new location is going to be better, because we're going to be able to build something actually purposeful more.
That's right.
More so, because this was actually just an extension of what was already here.
You never know, might end up with 2 posts of lift in the next one.
Man. What would that be like?
That will be fantastic.
The dream, living the dream.
Yeah.
So at the minute, what we're doing is we're taking the spray booth down, and we're going to start packing everything up, and we're going to we're going to have to kind of put everything into storage while we're working building our next setup. So, but like I say, we're going to give you some regular updates. It's been a little while since we've had an update, because there's been a lot of things happening in the background. But right, so you're speaking to us in the future here, obviously, as you can see. So a lot of that what you've just watched in that video was filmed a while ago. We've kind of like documented as moving out of that location where we're in, and we're sort of wanting to show you what's coming next. We're sort of hiding out the weather, as you can hear in the background at the minute.
It's a bit rough the other day.
It's crazy. But so like I say, we're actually in the new location here, and what we've filmed we're going to show you very soon, which is coming up. We've done a lot of work in building a new garage, which is very exciting, and we're very excited to show you.
Yeah, well, if you watch to the end of the video, we'll give you a walk around and show you where it's going to be and that.
Exactly, yeah.
Our new location.
Yeah, that's it, exactly. Anyway, so back to the film, back to seeing us strip down our old garage and taking all the bits away and putting everything in storage, and we'll see you near the end of the film. Right then, just a little bit added to our updates on our shed move. We're busy, we literally emptied this shed out, as you've seen probably the time lapse I've done, and then we filled it back up again with all of the gear from the 205. You having a seat?
I'm having a seat.
Worked them too hard. So the van's full. That's full. We've got another storage shed out the back which we've been using, and it's all the stuff off the 205 GTI. So we literally, like I say, we emptied the shed and then filled it back up with all the stuff out the storage shed, and then we just got it back in the van. So that's going up to our new location. A few more bits left, panels and what have you in that. and all the interior. So anyway, yes, we're gonna head up to the our new spot, which we'll maybe give you a chance to have a look at it when we go up there. We'll maybe do a quick video just showing you what we're gonna be working with. But, yeah. Anyway, let's get the van up there, get unloaded anyway, and we'll show you where we're going to be working from. Big move.
Yeah. Well, we've had some good times in here. Yeah.
And doing here.
Aye, we've had some really good times.
We've forgot one important thing though.
Well, the most important thing's hanging on that door.
I'll show you what that is. It all makes sense.
Oh, got him.
Oh, bottle opener. Okay.
Mustn't forget that.
Yes.
But that's it.
Job done.
That's it. All done and dusted.
Quite
Gone. Disappeared. We're disappearing.
Where you lie. End of year. Let's head up to the new headquarters.
Yeah, new headquarters. Won't get us sorted.
Yeah. Joby. Right?
Very good. I'll go first. Let you look up. Cheerio, garage, cheerio.
There's the keys. Oh.
No, the key you put that in there.
Right, right.
That's all I'm doing here.
There we go.
You just... New headquarters.
New headquarters. I thought you'd give you a quick walk round, quick behind the scenes tour of the new headquarters. Well, what's going to be the new headquarters?
Yeah.
There's nothing really exists at the minute. Yeah. But so we're obviously shifting, moving houses. There's so much to do, isn't there? So it's taking a while to get a video together for you to show you where we're at. But we're here now anyway. We brought the Jag up. We've just been bringing it out of storage. So we've got a few jobs to do with that. But this is where our new headquarters is going to be. So it's going to be. We've got an excellent canvas to work with. It's better than where we were, isn't it?
Oh, it's better here, yeah.
For size, anyway, for what we're going to be, what we're going to have.
You're on the level here with all of them.
That's true.
Plus the fact that we're building a nice big garage in this area.
Yeah,
here.
Workshop in here. So what you can see, the area behind us.
Down.
Yeah. What is that, Dad, sir?
These are all to come down.
Yeah. So the
nice
outbuildings.
Big garage in here.
Exactly, as my dad saying, the outbuildings that are there at the minute are going to come down. So this is the area we're going to put it in, and we've got a nice big driveway to work on. So the plan is, as my dad's saying, there we go. That's better. So these will come down. What you can see at the minute, the tank we're going to have to shift. We'll have to move that, and then we'll start laying a bit of a base down. So we're not going to go crazy by putting a big concrete pad or anything like that down, because it's incredibly costly. So what we're doing is done on a budget, really. I suppose that's the thing. But as you can see, there's quite a bit to work with. So and that's still to work on and all. The Jag. Well, that's where it's going to be, in that area there.
It's going to take a month or two for it
Yeah.
really set up, but we'll keep you in the picture.
Definitely. Plenty of updates
Keep you in
coming.
the picture.
Yes, I think that's going to be it for this little update anyway. So appreciate your support, everyone, as always, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.
See you now. Bye now.